So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to promote videos on TikTok. Now, this is my TikTok
This
account.
Nigeria.
This is how it looks like. Then the next thing I do is to go over to my profile here. Then when I go over to my profile, I click these three dots. I click these three dots here. These three dots here. So I'm just going to click it now. And it should show me you're on TikTok Studio. When I click on TikTok Studio, I just go over to this thing called More Tools. Then I go over to Promote. Promote. And I click on Promote here. And when I click on Promote, this is what it shows me. So the next thing I do is I just select there are different objectives here. There's boost accounts, there's get sales, there is visit website and all. So I don't think I want this one now. Then there is get leads, get leads, sending messages and all. But because of my account is still less than 1,000 yet, let me boost account. Then when I'm boosting account, what am I going to do now? Am I getting views? I already tried getting views one time and it was really really good. So I want to try another objective, maybe get more followers. So this is the recommendation of TikTok. It will give me 2k to 4.7k followers on daily. So you can also click custom promotions just to like see what is there. So okay, so this is just how it look like. Choose from pack. So I'm going to be clicking custom promotion because I've not tested this before. And when I click on custom promotion, remember I said our objective is get followers. Then I'll click on this one so that I can change my content. Which one do I want to promote? And although it's not viewing, it's not loading, I'll just go back and just click on it again so that I can choose a video to promote. So you can see the first one, how to end 2024 well, why you should create a digital product. Even though it's not loading, I would like to click this one to promote. So let me just click this one to promote. So click promote. So why you should create a digital product. Very good. So the next thing I need to do is you can just click recharge if you don't have money. Or so I want to create custom promotion. So let me go over to custom promotion. Now they said default audience TikTok chooses for you, or do you want TikTok to choose for you, or do you want custom audience? So I'll click on custom audience for the sake of this tutorial. So now remember what we are doing. I'm doing digital product, and people that will be interested is people that love education. So I'm just going to click education, financial service, and news and entertainment, because just like give it more mix. Then business services. Then I think that should be all. Let me not make it so much. Now just click on save. Okay, the views is going to be lessen. More followers, the views is going to be lessen though. This views is going to be lessen. You can always increase it just to. Now we are just going to increase it so that we can see the dynamics of everything. So I'm going to click edit. I'm going to click edit once. Then maybe just add beauty care. Let me put tech and electronics. Do we just leave it like this because this is focused, or should add more things? Let's leave it like this. This is testing. This is for educational sake. Then I'm just going to put my budget. Now I don't want to run so much ads. Okay, you can almost see the ad I run. People are already following me. So let me just add let's use 1,000 naira. 1,000 confirm. So remember, you are likely to reach more with a minimum budget of blah blah blah. They say if you use a minimum budget of 1,400. Okay, let's just use 1,500 just today, just like prove their doubt wrong. Understand? So how many days do you want it to run? Just 1 day. We just want it to run for 1 day. Then the next thing is to recharge our coin. Now we would need 70 coins for us to get 150. Currently we have just 9 coins. So I'm going to recharge, and as I'm recharging from my MasterCard I've already put in Google Play. So I just click one tap. When I press one tap, I believe it's going to just go once. Correct, payment successful. So submitting your order, and I've said paid, and TikTok has already collected the money. The next thing is to now what is happening. So I don't know. Have they taken the money? Coin balance total. Have they collected the money? Okay, they said paid. So let's go to our dashboard and see whether it's running. So all more pending, under review. So I don't know what is happening. So let's just see, why is it not working yet? Coin balance. Well, I'm supposed to be seeing. We are still figuring this out, so I don't really know what is happening, but we've already paid for the coin, and as the ad started running, that's what we don't know yet. So balance. I think they've taken it, but unfortunately, I've not seen it on my dashboard yet. You know, I've not seen it on my dashboard. I don't know whether it's still authenticating, but I'm just going to like come back